Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm so excited to show you my favorites. These are beauty favorites, fitness favorites, and a little fashion glamorous favorites for the man in your life. Beauty's important to me. I spend a lot of time trying to look good. I have some skin issues, so I really need to make sure I take off my makeup every night and then again in the morning. I was looking into easier ways to take off my makeup because it just seems to take so much time. So I found this really great reversible makeup remover cloth mitt. It comes in a 2-pack. I wanted something ecological friendly that I could reuse. I wanted something soft that touches my face, but something that worked great. So I know I need to wash my face really good every day to get all that makeup off, because if I don't, I end up with blemishes. I might not have been that great on cleaning my face. I need to employ every tool I can, and in this case, this mitt. So first we need to soak it in warm water, and we're going to squeeze out the excess water. That gets my mitt really soft. It's made of a super soft polyester blend. And so when you get it damp, that's when you take your makeup off. I love this mitt because I don't have to use any cleanser when I take my makeup off. That super soft polyester blend is all I need. So there's no drying agents on my face at night. This is pretty amazing. It takes off waterproof makeup as well. And I wear a really heavy base that is waterproof because I don't want it to sweat off my face. I like the dark color. It's just a little better to look at. I like to take my eye makeup with it too. And because I'm not using any cleanser with this mitt, I'm not going to get stinging red eyes from soap dripping into my eyes. It has just enough texture to get everything off. Look at that. All my makeup is off. I use this every night and in the morning as well, because I want a really clean face. They also give me a little travel size to take with me too. And this is really great because my eye makeup tends to fall and make creases right below my lower eyelid. So with this, I can just dust it off and I'm good to go. On the go, I don't even get this wet. It's so soft. So take a look. This is what my skin is looking like now. I really love this microfiber makeup remover mitt. Click the link and get one for yourself. They're wonderful. My next favorite has to do with me looking good with a little more fitness in my life. It's the new year, and I've been making lots of resolutions on getting my body more in shape, which includes toning my muscles and also means a lot of footwork. I've been doing a lot of slip and sliding on hard surfaces. My kitchen is all porcelain, which is really slick. And also at yoga studios, the socks I had just wasn't cutting it for all the kinds of activities I do. So I contacted Great Soles. They sponsored this video and I'm so glad they did because they have an amazing assortment of socks for active people, some with no toes. I'd never seen that before. I love all the different styles. Let me show you what they have. The half toes are what they're really known for. This is my exercise style, so my toes can stick out the ends firmly on the ground if I'm doing yoga or some exercise where I need the grip. And on the bottom, there are the treads with little dots of rubber. There's no slipping and sliding wearing these. I'll have more to catch me as I roll off my ball. Every little toe gets individually wrapped. You just have to find where they're going to come out the hole. Here we go. And that's going to keep me on my toes in case you need to do a ballet jump. These are hand-dyed with environmentally safe mineral dyes with a tie-dye design. Each pair is unique. This is the L-ribbed crew. It comes in silver and black, and I love wearing these around my house. They keep me warm all the way up to my calf. And that gold is just my style. It's really warm, and it has that same great sole. And I love those ballet socks. These are my favorite because they have such an anti-skid bottom, yet my toes can be warm. So these are the ones I like to lounge around in my house wearing or in my kitchen cooking so I don't slip on my slick tile. My feet are on the ground. I'm not going to slip out like I would in normal socks. Every design I have has a full coverage grip that extends from the ball of my foot all the way to the heel. The natural cotton blend keeps my feet cool and comfortable. The compression arch provides added support and it maintains the sock shape. These socks are amazing in quality. I love them. I also bought some from my workout buddy. She had a little mishap the other day at the gym. She slid. She's gonna love these. Click the link below and get your great soles. I hope you enjoy them like I do at the gym. And I just think they're pretty. I feel pretty. And my next favorite is not really for me. It's for the men in my life. And boy, do I have a lot. I have family members And I have great guys in my world that have done a lot for me. Clients, mentors, previous bosses, and customers for my art. These people are important to me, and I've been trying to figure out a great gift. LMTS has designed a watch that is extremely high quality and very inexpensive. This one is called the Demeanor. It's black leather, black face, and it has a rose gold case around the face of the watch and some of the detail inside the watch face. It's waterproof with 3 ATM. It has a mineral reinforced glass so it's not going to shatter. The case, 48 millimeters, and the case thickness is 7 millimeters. That's quality. And the strap is made with Italian black leather. It's got a great strap width, and that's good for about any guy. The interior is a neutral color, so no dyes will get on their wrist. The watch movement is Japan-made, high-quality VX3F semi-mechanical quartz. The functions are great. It goes hours, minutes, and seconds, in case time is of the essence. I have a lot of men in my world that love the look of a luxury watch on their wrist and the function of it. You don't have to be fumbling to find your iPhone to see what time it is. This is perfect. I love this style, the Demeanor, because it's bold and it's stark and it's designed to have a real timeless elegance and confidence. And I enjoy it's going to look great with any attire, whether you're wearing a tuxedo or casual clothes. These guys can wear it every day. It bridges both the dressy and the casual. Some of those inexpensive watches just look kind of cheap. LMTS watch is elegant, high quality, and super affordable. Click the link below. LMTS has 5 styles for you to choose from. This is my favorite. Write in the comments and tell me what yours is. I've had so much fun bringing you my favorites this time. I always am looking for new products to check out and try. I have so many that never make it on my counter to show you. If you have some type of gizmo or gadget or clothing or something that you want me to check into, write it in the comments and I will check it out and bring it to you. I'll contact those companies like I did here today to find the best to show you. Click the links below to check out all these great products. I'm Rebecca Rand. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and let's keep finding out great recipes in life. Like recipes for the next fashion item, beauty item, or fitness item, and everything else under the sun. Right now, I'm gonna go keep my footsies warm with my new socks. I think I like the black ballet ones.